In today's video, we are going to read sight words. Sight words are those words for which we can use sounds to read or we have to use letters to read them. Today, we will learn two letter sight words. First, we will read those words for which we can use the sounds, and then we will move on to the words which can be read with the letters. E, sir, is. E, sir, is. How to use this word in a sentence? What is your name? What is your name? E, n, in. E, n, in. For n, we can say na or we can also say n. How to use this word in a sentence? Book is in the bag. Book is in the bag. E, for, if. E, for, if. If she is happy, she smiles. If she is happy, she smiles. Eat it. Eat it. It is a big ball. It is a big ball. At hat. At hat. I am at school. I am at school. An. 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 For n, we can say na or we can also say n. Let us use this word in a sentence. It is an ant. It is an ant. Am, am. Am. For m, we can say m or we can also say How to use this word in a sentence? I am Sam. I am Sam. On. 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 For n, we can say na or we can also say n. The cup is on the table. The cup is on the table. Off, 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 off. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. Up, up. Up. Stand up. Stand up. Sir, us. Sir, us. Give it to us. Give it to us. Now we will read two letter sight words for which we will use only the letters and not the sound. So let's begin. TO2. TO2. I like to watch cartoons. I like to watch cartoons. So. So. I run fast so I win. I run fast, so I win. Do. Do. I do my best. I do my best. Me. Me. Play with me. Play with me. We. We. We play football. We play football. B. B. Be kind. Be kind. By. By. The cat is by the box. The cat is by the box. My. My. My bag is red. My bag is red. Or. Or we can also read using the sounds. Or. 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 Red or blue. Red or blue. He. He. He runs fast. He runs fast. No. 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 I will not go. No. I will not go. Thank you.